In this question, you're given that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to pi by 4 and xy is less than 1. And you're asked to find the value of x plus y plus xy. So a very straightforward question. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is nothing but tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So this is equal to pi by 4. So you apply tan on both sides. So you get x plus y by 1 minus xy is equal to tan pi by 4 is 1. This implies x plus y is equal to 1 minus xy. So if you bring xy onto this side, so x plus y plus xy is equal to 1. So the value of x plus y plus xy is 1. That's the answer. Thank you.